Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope your day's going better watching this video. Today we are doing art, but not with colours. With colours, but not with any bad ones. With this, all I can use is this and this today. And why am I doing this? Because these are the essentials, that's all you need. And that's all I need to do a freaking drawing. Yeah, because you know. I don't know why I'm doing this video now, because I only have like one bar, like 1%. So let's get right on to this before I have no time. I can't even speak now. So what am I drawing? And you say that when you can draw plenty of things from your imagination. Okay, now I sound stupid saying that. Okay, so you can draw people's, but I prefer to practice before. So I'm just going to start drawing a leg. These are the basics that you need to just start drawing. Just scratch that off. Yeah, you know. These are the basics that you need to start drawing. So first you need to practice before you draw. So first you want to like plan out what your character's going to look like, or whatever you're drawing is going to look like. So I would plan it on a scrap piece of paper, but I'm doing it right in my book because I know, but I'm just showing you. So I practice like doing legs and arms and all of that stuff that you need doing, and eyes and stuff. So I'm practicing doing my legs right now because I'm horrible at doing my legs. So I'm just doing legs practice. As you may think that's weird, I've already done this. So I've done a couple of legs, as you see, and you're going to put legs on top, so then you know what it is. But that's just scruffy because, yeah, you know. And then over here, we are going to have eyes. No, we're going to have arms. So you don't know how to draw fingertips and stuff. So you're just going to draw like a diamond shape, right? Like this. Like that, right? And then you're going to do like how many fingers you have. Because you have 5, I'm going to do 5, and then you're going to have pinky, see, and then you're going to do like that, just for practice. And then I'm going to do it again, but smaller, and get smaller every time. So however big or small you want your drawings to be, it's always good to have a practice before. Arms, and then eyes. This is how many compliments I get about eyes, how I do them. So eyes, you do a circle, and then you do like a bit over it, and then you go under it, and then you can do any pattern you want, but I like doing this. And then colour in that. And then you can colour in the bottom. And then the eyelashes, you go like, that's not how I do it. So I'm just practicing eyes. So you can do the same thing over and over again, however big, however small you want them. Or you can go the same pattern, like that. And do that, and then colour in that bit. See, that looks more like an eye. If you're doing anime eyes, you're gonna just, you know, go like this. Hang on, towel, like that. And then you're gonna get a circle in the middle. And then you're going to have like a little spark at the top, see? And then you're going to do a little dot in the middle. See, hear that meowing? Hang on, Chow. Oh, look how, look. Okay. Okay, Joe. You just trying to get, oh, okay. I'll let you in a minute. So, yeah, do that and over again. And yeah. That's what you should do and that's what you shouldn't do for today. That's what I'm going to teach you today, and then I'll do another vlog when this is more charged. I've got to let my cat in now. Hope your day's going good. Better watching this video. See you later. Have a good night. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below on this video. Bye. And turn on the notifications.